G'day guys, Neil here, how you going? After spending some time checking Google Earth, we found a few places in Belanglo that we want to check out. So we're back here to see if we can find another place to test out your rig. And actually we were successful. We did find another four-wheel drive playground, that's the good news. The bad news is that when we found it, we couldn't conquer it. The rock outcrop was so steep that no one could get up it. But we did have a bit of fun trying. John's with us today in his Can't Frighten a Triton, and Phil has brought the 80 series for a workout. And he's also testing out his newest toy, which is a brand spanking new GoPro 9, shooting in 4K on a suction mount on his bonnet. Very flash. The first place we checked out was strictly for trail bikes, but when we found this spot on Tree Cave Fire Trail, we were more hopeful. It looked kind of doable, so we gave it a try. Come on Phil, a bit further. Oh, you're right, okay. The right line, you're on the rock. That's as far as you're going. So the different does help a bit.
Yeah,
because
because she got to there.
Yeah. Still on Tree Cave Fire Trail. Going down into another little gully. So this must be Tree Cave here. Yeah, you're good. Very good. Piece of cake. So we're back at this location, the dead end trail off Longacre Fire Trail, so that John and Phil can test their 4Bs out. And John's up first. You have to swing it wide here, that's all. This way. That's it, slowly. Yeah, oh sorry, the other way. Yeah, that's it. Now go back a little bit. Yeah, go back a little bit. Now straighten up. But you've got to miss the tree over this side. Now Phil's going to give it a go. Piece of cake for the mighty cruiser. that was fun. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.